Here are some tips for Facebook ad campaign. Number 1. If possible, try to keep the people in the Facebook app instead of sending them to a website. This means sending people to a lead form or Messenger or WhatsApp. If possible, don't take people to a landing page or do not take them out of the Meta's ecosystem. The iOS 14 changes have made tracking difficult. If people are on Meta's ecosystem, the performance of your campaigns will be better. Number 2. Meta sources are better for retargeting. For the retargeting audience, if possible, try to have the audience as Facebook page or Instagram account or video views. In the retargeting, website source may perform less due to the change in iOS 14. You can test them side by side to see which one performs better. Number 3. Instead of manual placement, try Advantage Plus placement. Give Facebook that option to figure out where they can get the conversion instead of you telling them where to get the conversions. Number 4. If possible, try to have bigger audience. You can also try open audience, which is just targeting the age and selecting the gender. Do not put any detailed targeting, and that is open audience. Please note that before doing open audience, Meta should have lot of conversions in your ad account. Number 5. Don't have generic, boring ads. Have great images, videos, and ad copies. Ad copy should be specific, speaking to the right people. Images or videos should point out the benefit, unique selling points of your product or service, and it would be great if the creatives demonstrate the usefulness of the product. Number 6. Meta is prioritizing Reels. Do Reels and see the results. This does not mean that you do not test other placements. What I am suggesting is to try Reels exclusively and see what happens, or test them side by side and see what happens. Number 7. Have a simpler sales funnel. In the past, people were having 5-step, 7-step sales funnel. Nowadays, this sales funnel will be very difficult to track and Facebook's performance will be low. If possible, try to have a simpler sales funnel. Number 8. Meta loves brand. Also, people are trusting brands more. You should aspire to become a brand. You can hire influencers or get UGC, that is user-generated content, to promote your ads. Becoming a brand and getting UGC can be expensive, but this is what people are gravitating to. Number 9. Test, and test some more. Test audience, images, videos, ad copies, headline, primary text. In the long run, the more you test, you will have better performing ad sets, ads, campaigns, and your profit will be more. Write in the comment, did you find this video useful? Subscribe to the channel to get more contents on Facebook and Instagram ads.